Hi guys, welcome back to Plexiglas Vintage, your favorite channel for secondhand and vintage luxury items. But most of the time it's handbags, and today we will have a handbag unboxing. This is the second or the third, fourth or fifth, I don't know, fourth, fifth. I'm really bad with maths, but I think this is I don't know. I bought a few bags already, and this one, I think this one is the most exciting one, and you guys will understand why, because it's a mix between a super old and traditional, don't know if I can say that, but traditional brand, and unconventional material, and a style, flamenco, and a style that I am obsessed with. So let me show you, and then we can have a little chit chat. As you can see, I open it. It's written fragile. Yeah, it's not really fragile, but it's a collector piece. And thank to I have a co-worker who lives in France, and because Geneva is really close to France, and I was able to ship to her place, so I could, save money on the shipping, the customs taxes. And yes, and I was, sure to receive the bag. Oh my God, so much emotion. Can you guys see the dust bag? Salvatore Ferragamo. Salvatore Ferragamo. You're not dreaming. This is another top handle. This is another top handle, but this is not, the top handle you will find everywhere. This is the top handle you will only find on Plexiglas Vintage channel and on Salvatore Ferragamo museum in Florence, in Firenze, that I could not visit because it was closed when I went there, and I am super upset, so I really need to do it. Regardez-moi ça. Ah, it's inside. Guys, can you see what you see? Can you see this? What is this bag? This is a plastic Salvatore Ferragamo, but not just plastic. This is an inflatable, material. You mean you can put air inside? You even have this, to pump. I don't know if you say it like this, but you can. By the way, I have the thing that I don't know how it's called, but you guys will help me in the comment box. I have the the thing you use to put air inside. This is crazy. And in the listing, it was written, my God, it's the original one. I'm a little bit disappointed because I wish, if it's the original one, I hope they could, just write Ferragamo or something, but it's just a blue thing. So is it the original one? I don't know. But guys, see, you have the hole here, and you put, wow, the thing inside, and then, okay, I will try to do this. Oh my God. You just, you will make it like for the swimming pool thing for kids. And this, oh my God, this is a lifesaver because I don't know how to swim. So this is definitely a bag I will take with me, like a lifesaver thing, like in alert Malibu with Pamela Anderson. Bref, I'm way too excited, as you guys can see. So let me close it. So this is really an iconic top handle. You have, you know, the Gancini open thing that I forgot. You have Ferragamo written here. And yes, you can really open like this, and inside you will have your bag. You don't have a pocket. Of course you don't. And oh my god, I just saw it. You have the stamping here. And normally outside, oh yeah, le détail qui tue, the detail that kills, as we say in French. Salvatore Ferragamo is engraved in the plastic. You guys know, oh my god, I think I can actually do a video about my plastic PVC luxury bags, because I have this one for Salvatore Ferragamo. I have the an Ophidia one for Gucci. I have a few for Chanel, and yeah, that's it. So only 3 brands, but I love it, guys. Attention, je pose. Attention, this is a really important announcement. There is a second bag like this one on the market. So if you wanna buy one, hurry up, because I will put the link in the description box. So go. And I think the price is only 200 euros. Hurry up, go buy, because this is so unique. This is a really, really unique bag. This is only bag for collectors. And I love it. I found this baby. I will put the website here because I found it on, I was doing some research about this bag, and I found the listing for this one on Google. Thank you Google, and thank I mean to the seller who used the right keywords, because sometimes you're looking for a bag and it's really hard, you know, to find the right keywords and to use it. So bref, I will put the website here, and I think it's a shop that is located in the Puce de Saint-Ouen in Paris. It's a super huge flea market, but where you can have really expensive things. I remember I went there once, and you can have some really, it's like and like old art and fashion and really collectible things. It was nice, but I don't know, the sellers, they are very rude. It's, you know, written everywhere, you cannot take pictures. Even if you just want to take a pictures of an ice cream, they will say like, no, you don't take pictures. Like, okay. And the prices were quite high, I remember. So it was a nice thing to do, but not something I will do like anytime soon, because I just thought it was not a super friendly and nice place. Maybe because the weather was super bad, it was raining something. Bref, I didn't like it. But the shop for this beauty was there, and I bought it. So it was listed for 350 euros. Peanuts for a bag like this. And I shipped it to my colleague's house. So yeah, it cost me 370 euros for this beautiful collectible Salvatore Ferragamo. Guys, I always say this to people around me, like friends and family. If something happens to me, if I die, please send my bags to a museum or do something, because I really have some special bags and I don't want them to finish, I don't know where, like, just, you know, for my memory. Please keep them in a special place. Build a museum for Babsi, please. Can you see that? When I see it in the camera, I'm about to die. this is, I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna wear it. The weather, the style, it's so cool. It's so cool. Can someone one day invite me to the fashion week? Because this is a fashion week bag. Like, definitely yes. I love it. And I really love the fact that it's in like super light. Super light, light, original. The material is fantastic. Inflatable, it can save your life. If you are on a yacht and you fall, it's gonna save your life. Lifesaver. Definitely yes for this bag. And yes, some people, I got a lot of plus more on my French channel when I unboxed my Coco Rain Chanel bag, because people asked like, oh my god, it's plastic, why you buy plastic bags? And I think plastic PVC bags are super original. Don't get me wrong, if you are starting your collection now, don't buy, don't, unless you really love it, don't start your collection with this kind of bags, because yeah, I think I'm really not buying this kind of bags because my collection of classic and traditional bags are really like completed, if I can say that. So now I'm really, reaching for original bags, and sometimes I find myself looking for vintage bags from unknown brands, or yeah, just because the style is original and it's a bag you will not see everywhere. But yeah, I think plastic and PVC is a wonderful material, and if you like fun bags and if you want to have an original collection, go for it. Go for it, because I just think they are very special, and I don't know, it's sometimes it can be like an icebreaker, because people will look at your bag and ask you some questions, etc. So this is cool. I'm not saying that having this kind of bags will help you to have more friends, but who knows. But I'm someone who I'm very introverted, like I'm in my bubble, and I know that sometimes bags or accessories, people will come to me because they will be, oh, what is this? Where do you buy it? And this is a way, to express my personality and, to talk to people too. So this is super cool. Guys, what do you think about this one? I can't wait to wear it. I think I will wear it to go to work. Just like a random day. You go to the office with your plastic bag. Yes, because why not? Oh, j'adore. J'adore, j'adore, j'adore. And yes, and I will link the second one I found on videdressing.com. I think you can, they ship worldwide. So maybe it's your chance to grab this baby too. Guys, let me know in the comment box down below what you think about this one. And yes, 2023 will be a year full of vintage, original and unconventional bags. Guys, thank you for watching, and I see you in my next video. Bisous, bisous. Bye.